Hey everyone, it's Ashley here from the Recipe Rebel, and today we're making Crockpot Chicken and Noodles. This is the cozy meal you make when you're in the mood for chicken noodle soup, but you want something a little heartier. It has less than 10 ingredients, only 5 minutes prep time, and it's made completely in one pot. We all love that. It's totally customizable. You can add in different spices or seasonings or veggies to make it your own. We're gonna start by adding our chicken breasts, chicken broth, and our seasonings into the crock pot. And we're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it cook on low until our chicken is done and pulls apart easily. So now that our chicken has cooked, we are just gonna pull it out onto our cutting board and we're gonna add our noodles into the crock pot. We're gonna let that go for 10 to 20 minutes depending on the size and shape of your pasta. So our pasta is cooked. Our chicken is all chopped, and now we're gonna add everything back into the slow cooker along with a bit of cream and some cornstarch that I'm gonna whisk together just to make it nice and thick and creamy. So that's how you make my crockpot chicken and noodles. It is so creamy. I just want to dig right into this plate. For the full recipe, head over to thereciperebel.com. I've never tried to floss in my life.